Hello everyone, welcome to the international webinar on research paper publication in Scopus Indexed Journals. This particular webinar is organized by Rian Publishers, Trichy, India. I will like to give the brief insight into my profile as a resource person. I am Dr. Rahul Vishwanath Dandage, working as Associate Professor and Head of Automobile Engineering Department at Rajendra Mane College of Engineering and Technology, Ambao, in Maharashtra of India. My graduation is in Mechanical Engineering, post-graduation with Production Engineering, and PhD in Mechanical Engineering with specialization as area of research, risk management in international projects. I have total 16 years of teaching experience and 3 years of industry experience. 11 research papers have been published till date and 17 conference papers have been presented. Apart from this, I have been working as a reviewer for many Scopus Indexed Journals published by Emerald Publication, Springer Publication and InterScience Publication as they have been listed. To give you a brief idea about this international webinar, these are the various contents which will be covering and focusing in this webinar. What do you mean by research paper? What are the various classifications of research paper? What is the ideal structure of a research paper? What do you mean by peer-reviewed journals? Then what is the peer review process? The standard timeline tentative for paper publication process right from the day 1 when you submit the paper to the final date when the paper gets published. Then Scopus indexing, how to identify the journals, whether they are indexed in Scopus or not. Then there is another list or ranking for the journals which is ABDC journals. How to calculate the H index, what is the importance of citations, calculation of the I-10 index by Google Scholar, the various checklists for quality research paper that we should consider, how to write a good abstract, because abstract is the important aspect of your research paper which will be read by many researchers, many people who are searching the paper online. Before they go for the entire paper, they will go for abstract. If they found your abstract as interesting and appropriate to their research area, then only they will go for the entire paper to read or download the entire paper. So how to write a good abstract, that is also very important. Then what is the importance of grammar, spelling, punctuation, these things in your paper and getting your paper good review comments. Common mistakes leading to paper rejection. So we should also know that why the paper gets rejected and what are the very simple things, simple mistakes we are doing and that is leading to paper rejection. Writing a literature review paper, if you are a PhD research scholar, the basic thing what we do to identify the research gaps and establish the problem statement is do the literature review. So if the literature review is very strong, then only our research gap and problem definition can be appropriate. So whatever literature review we have done, if we want to convert that literature review into a quality research paper, then how to convert it? Some examples of literature review papers which have been published in very reputed journals. And at the end, as a research scholar earlier in the field of this mechanical engineering, what are experiences I have received while writing the paper, while getting the paper accepted, and some of the papers why they got rejected. So these things will be shared so that the mistakes can be a learning experience to the future generation or to the budding researchers. So that is all about this introductory part of this international webinar on research paper publication in Scopus Indexed Journal, which is organized by Rian Publishers, Trichy, India. Thank you.